Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Our topic is Iqra English Grammar Book 4 Lesson 4 Future Perfect Tense. Future means coming time, perfect, completed tense. Tense shows time of action. Definition: the future perfect tense shows that an action will be completed at some definite time in future. The future perfect tense shows that an action will be completed at some definite time in future. In future means the work that will be completed in the time of future. We use shall have plus past participle with I and we students for auxiliary. We use shall have plus past participle with I and we use will have plus past participle with you, he, she, it, they, singular or plural nouns. Students, we know that in all types of future tenses we use past participle in sentence. For example, I shall have reached home before it gets dark. He will have taken aptitude test by next August. Urdu identification. Students, about Urdu identification, we write चुका था, चुके थे, गया था, हुआ था. For that type of words, if these types of words are used in the Urdu sentence at the end, we will understand that this is about future perfect tense, and it will be easy. We will easily translate it into English. Which sentences? Urdu sentences. Affirmative sentences. The structure of affirmative sentences are simple sentences. Is that subject plus auxiliary verb plus past participle plus object. For I, we know that we use auxiliary shall, and for he, she, it, you, they, singular or plural noun, we use auxiliary will. The other structure is same. Negative sentence. Negative sentence. Students, negative sentence is just like simple sentence, but we only add not after writing auxiliary verb in the negative sentences. Like subject plus auxiliary verb plus not plus have plus verb means past participle plus object plus full stop. Students must put full stops in affirmative sentences and at the end of negative sentences, and at the end of simple sentences or affirmative sentences. I or we plus shall plus not plus have plus solve plus the paper. This is written according to the structure. These words are written according to the structure in a sentence. I shall not have solved the paper. He will not have solved the paper. Interrogative sentence. Students, in interrogative sentences, we will write first auxiliary verb in the beginning of the sentence, then subject, then have, then past participle, then object, then put full stop. Question mark. Students, put question mark at the end of interrogative sentences because it is very important. Let's come to exercise. Fill in the blanks with the correct form of verbs to make future perfect tense. We. For we will write auxiliary shall have. We shall have started the new computers before the class ends. They will have served the lunch by the clock strikes 2. I shall have bought. By became bought. I shall have bought a new car before the December ends. We shall have taken. Take became taken. Take, took, taken. Taken is third form or past participle form. We shall have taken a trip to Muckley Hills before the next summer vacation starts. My brother will have become an engineer before next year starts. Exercise B. We know that we just write not, we add not after writing auxiliary shall, or in the mid of shall and have we will write not. In negative sentences. Change the following sentences into negative. First one, I shall have received the letter before my friend asked me. Asked me. I shall not have received the letter before my friend asks me. The plane will have taken off before they reach the airport. The plane will not have taken off before they reach the airport. A renowned foreign company will have exhibited their goods at Expo Center before the Chief Minister visits Karachi. A renowned foreign company will not have exhibited their goods of Expo Center before the Chief Minister visits. Maria will have returned my English book before the exam starts. Maria will not have returned my English book before the exam starts. The wanderers will have spoiled their career before they get older. The wanderers will not have spoiled their career before they get elders. The wanderers will not have spoiled their career before they get older. Exercise C. Change the following sentences into interrogative. We shall have performed Hajj next year. Shall we have performed Hajj next year? Put question mark. My younger sister will have memorized the Holy Quran by the end of this year. Will my younger sister have memorized the Holy Quran by the end of this year? Put question mark. The police will have arrived to arrest the pillion riders by then. Will the police have arrived to arrest the pillion riders by then? Put question mark. The security guard will have rescued the drowning boys. Will the security guard have rescued the drowning boys? The drowning boys. The naughty boy will have shoot the birds dead by the sunsets. Will the naughty boy have shoot the birds dead by the sunsets? Put question mark. Translate the following into English. मुसलमान यहूदियों के ख़िलाफ़ जंग जीत चुके होंगे. Muslims will have won the war against the Jews. वो हर हाल में इनकी मदद कर चुके होंगे. They will have helped them in any situation. क्या बर वक्त इलाज से मरीज़ सेहतयाब हो चुका होगा? Will the patient have recovered with treatment on time? Put question mark. मासी दूध उबाल चुकी होगी. Maid will have boiled the milk. क्रिकेट टीम के खिलाड़ी मैच के लिए जमा नहीं हुए होंगे. The players of cricket team will not have assembled for the match. Do this work in your grammar book and learn it. Bring your grammar book to the school for checking. Make 5 sentences about future perfect tense. Stay safe at home. God bless you.